How much should you actually spend on a frozen fruit dessert maker? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. First up is the Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker, priced at $89.95. The brushed chrome design caught my eye, and with a solid 4.6-star rating from over 19,100 reviews, it's definitely popular. If you want to whip up your favorite frozen desserts in under 30 minutes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The double-insulated freezer bowl can hold a generous 2 quarts, which means you'll have plenty of ice cream for friends or family gatherings. The fully automatic motor is easy to use, just add your ingredients and let it do its thing. Plus, the large ingredient spout is a game changer for adding those delicious mix-ins. With over 20,000 units sold in the last month, people are clearly loving it. Now, some people complained about it being a bit bulky and taking up counter space. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about making frozen desserts regularly, that extra space is a small price to pay for the convenience and quality of treats you'll make. This is perfect for you if you love hosting parties or just enjoy a variety of frozen desserts at home. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact or only want to make a small amount at a time. Honestly, for the price, it offers great value for what you get. Now, if the size of the Cuisinart bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Yanana's Classic Maker. Next up is the Yanana's Classic Frozen Fruit Soft Serve Maker, available for just $33.23. This little gem has a 4.3-star rating with over 22,200 reviews. If you want a quick and easy way to turn frozen fruit into healthy desserts, this is definitely worth checking out. What's great about the Yanana's is its simplicity. It has a capacity of 0.5 liters, perfect for single servings or small family gatherings. With 36 included recipes, you'll never run out of ideas for delicious desserts. The fact that it's easy to clean thanks to dishwasher-safe parts is a major plus as well. Now, some users mention that it can struggle with larger pieces of fruit. But honestly, if you chop your fruit before freezing, you're golden. This isn't a deal-breaker by any means, especially considering how affordable it is. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a healthy dessert alternative or if you're on a vegan diet. Skip this one if you want to make larger batches at once. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more features. Product number 3, Yanana's Deluxe Maker. Now let's talk about the Yanana's Deluxe Frozen Fruit Soft Serve Maker, priced at $101.99. With a 4.4-star rating from 1,500 reviews, this one offers more versatility. If you want something that can serve the whole family and has plenty of recipes, it's worth a serious look. It comes with 75 recipes, so you can really get creative. The easy push-button operation makes it user-friendly, and it still features the same easy-to-clean parts as the classic model. However, some people found it a bit pricier than they expected for a fruit maker. Here's the thing though, if you want that extra versatility and a wealth of recipe ideas, it justifies the cost. This is perfect for you if you enjoy experimenting with different flavors and want a device that can cater to a group. Skip this one if you're just looking for a simple, no-frills machine. It's a solid investment for the variety it offers. Now, if you're looking for even more features, the next one might be your best option. Product number 4, Ninja Creami. Next, we have the Ninja Creami Ice Cream Maker, which retails at $279. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 1,600 reviews, it's on the higher end of the price spectrum but offers some serious capabilities. If you want to make everything from sorbet to milkshakes, this one is definitely worth your attention. The Creami has 13 one-touch programs, allowing for a wide range of frozen treats. It features a unique creamify technology that transforms your ingredients into creamy desserts with a perfect texture. Plus, the ability to customize flavors and control ingredients is a big win for health enthusiasts. It even includes 2 16-oz pints for serving. Now, some users felt the learning curve was a bit steep, taking time to figure out all the functions. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the variety you can create is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different dessert styles and flavors. Skip this one if you're looking for something straightforward. It's a significant investment, but you're getting a lot for your money. Now, if you want a more budget-friendly option with some nice features, the last product might be just right for you. Product number 5. Yanana's 988 RD Deluxe Maker. Finally, let's check out the Yanana's 988 RD Deluxe Vegan Soft Serve Maker, priced at $99.99. With a 4.2-star rating from 1,500 reviews, this option is both affordable and practical. If you want a reliable machine to make healthy desserts, it's definitely a contender. The 75 recipe book included makes it easy to whip up something new. It's lightweight and easy to clean, which is always a bonus after a cooking session. However, some customers noted it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're making a quick treat, a little noise is a small trade-off for delicious, guilt-free desserts. This is perfect for you if you want an easy way to make frozen treats for the family. Skip this one if you're sensitive to noise. For the price, it delivers fantastic value, especially if you're health conscious. So to wrap it all up, the Cuisinart is perfect for big batches, the Yanana's Classic offers an affordable entry point, the Deluxe model has tons of recipes, the Ninja Creamy is a feature-packed powerhouse, and the Yanana's 988 RD is a dependable choice for healthy desserts. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.